So once a job is in the workshop, it's time to get work started and technicians assigned. The Onyx Task Tracker gives workshop controllers a real-time overview of every ongoing repair, across every location and on any device. So if we head to the Task Tracker tab, we can see all the jobs you have in progress and their current status. So over here, we can see that this job has a courtesy car as it's highlighted in blue, and we can also see from the orange hand that the job is currently on hold. Looking further into that, we can also see from the parts tab, all the parts have been ordered, so we're just waiting for those to be received. If we look over on this side, for this job, we can see all the different technicians that are assigned to different parts of the job. If they have a tick underneath, we can see the job's been completed. If there are 2 blue arrows, we can see that the job is currently in progress. So to assign a technician to a step, we can first press one of the orange circles, and then we can assign the technician that we'd like to undertake the work based on their current availability. Once the technician's been assigned, we'll then see a red clock appear underneath them. This is notifying us that they've not yet accepted the job. Once they do, it will turn into 2 blue arrows, indicating the job is now ongoing. If the technician identifies any additional damage or missing parts, they can flag this instantly using the built-in messaging tool, keeping everything logged in one place and notifying managers instantly. I can now read the message by clicking on the Messages tab, allowing me to review the issue, to update the job, or liaise with the work provider. Before the technician can mark the task as complete, they are taken through a compliance checklist and asked to upload any images to support consistency and ease of audit. So once the task is completed, Onyx updates the workflow automatically, progressing the repair to the next stage without the need for manual input.